Very good morning, myself Samisha Baral from the Crest school. I really enjoyed all the experiments. The experiment was up to 20 to 22 experiments, which include explosion and copper and many such experiments, which gives all the students a very good exposure to select their stream wisely. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Kanchan of the Crest school. Today we had a science boot camp in our school. It was really fun watching all the experiments in real. It was very exciting for all the kids. It is a new way of learning science. Thank you so much.
Today we had science boot camp in our school and all of us really enjoyed it. And we got to know that science is really magic and it just really excites us. And much things we got to know from the books. But today we had the practical scene of that. Thank you so much.
My name is Swati Kumari. I am a student of 8th class. Today's science exhibition is very interesting and wonderful. I learned lots of things. Thank you.
Hey everyone, myself Lakshmi and I am from Crest school. Today we saw a lot of experiments like never before and learned and enjoyed very much. Thank you.
I'm Piyush Markham of the Crest school and the director of this school. It was a very great experience for me as I'm a commerce student and I had learned many things. And I have read this all activity in books, but to see it practically was a very different thing. Thank you.